গুরু গৌরাঙ্গ রাধা গোবিন্দ ব্রহ্ম নারায়ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ রাম ভজ গুরু গৌরাঙ্গ রাধা গোবিন্দ ব্রহ্ম নারায়ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ রাম।
Sri Guru Gatha. The Leela of Sri Sri Sadgurudev extends beyond all boundaries. Whether it be any nation, caste, creed, faith, or religion, the main doctrine of Sri Sri Guruji, Srimad Swami Dvijeshananda Saraswati Maharaj, the torchbearer of Sadgurudev, Lord Vijay Krishna Goswami, is to practice Namo, the ultimate mantra, infused by him in his disciples, in every breath. The realizations that dawn within have been beautifully penned through 2 letters by Mr. Paul Stewart, nicknamed Anandabhai, a resident of Rainham, Kent, UK. These 2 letters addressed to Guruji reveal how Namo manifests itself in the heart of a devotee and leads him along his spiritual path through this wilderness called life. His realizations establish the sayings of Guruji. You may forget him, but he will not forget you. It is immaterial where you are, of which faith you belong to. If you are a true devotee, he will guide you to salvation.
Om Guru, Longborough, 12th August 1990. Dear Baba, since I first started to believe that yes, there must be a God back in 1982, I always believed that he or she or it must be the Lord of creations, the first designer. But now when I look back at the timeless, motionless experience when I lost control of the body in an orchard here in 1983, and more recently while experiencing Ajapa in India, I feel that God is nothing at all, only love. During those experiences at Ghola, I felt no motive, no object, no creation, no destruction, nothing but unity or oneness, Ananda. Oh Baba, what makes us sin? Why do we turn our backs on eternity and the beautiful truth on our hearts? So much love I can feel for you now in my very being. You have given your radiant spark to Krishna Prem, and I see it in his face, hear it in his voice on telephone. And I have seen him pass on your love to his mother and father, who are so proud of their new son, and have started to shine themselves in a new and hopeful manner. You have convinced me of the indomitable power of love. Now I only have to think of you and my brothers and sisters. Tears well up and the river of your pure prayer floods back into my heart. I actually feel it. So very far from home and outstation, I try to feel strong. It helps greatly to live not so far from Krishna Prem, but I long to be back with you in Ghola. Truly, this Biraha is in my heart now. Every time I return to you, love and affection is showered upon me in a way that cannot be imagined by us Westerners. The barren, lonely desert of my heart is filled to overflowing. I cannot imagine how God can be so very kind to me when I feel I have done nothing to deserve this. This must be true love, which asks for nothing in return, that is bottomless and only knows how to give. Give, give. Now life seems so short to prepare the Atma for the ultimate journey. Will I be prepared, Baba? Have I got the strength of character to change my ways? I seek your permission and advice to visit you again next year. I would like to come for Dol Purnima, if it is possible. Jai Guru, Ananda Bhai.
Om Guru, Longborough, 18th August 1990. My dearest Father, how my heart turns to you now on a daily basis. It is difficult to make sense out of those incredible muddle we call life on planet Earth without seeking a spiritual explanation. Once again, Baba, that wonderful experience of Ajopa came over me last Tuesday, 15th of August. It was Janmashtami, about 10 pm, which is about 4 am the next day in India. I had just left the Gita Bhagwan temple and was walking back to the car. At the temple, they had asked me to sing a devotional song. Well, really, the only appropriate song I could manage without practice was Bhaja Guru Gaurango in Shivaranjani Raga. I played for a few minutes at the harmonium. Later, when I got up to leave, I did so cheerfully with the tune still on my lips. Walking outside on the dark street towards the parked car and singing the raga, I felt suddenly hit as if by electricity. In an ecstasy, Namo gripped my breath and lungs. Energy sapped from my legs and I fell onto the street. I managed to pull myself onto a street bench. The car was only a few feet away, but I could not reach it. After some time, when I regained motive power, I sat in the driver's seat of the car, but was not capable of driving it. Again, Namo rushed back. My heart was possessed by a huge and gorgeous prayer. I wanted to reach out and embrace all the suffering souls, to caress everybody's cheek and tell them not to worry. God is benevolent and cares for us all. The prayer was overpowering. Tears streamed down my face. So much love, so much joy. After a long time, slowly and with care, I was able to drive the car home. Namo still coursing through my being. Please accept my pranam now, Baba. Anando Bhai.
Hare